In the previous class, we learned about the little big man, how the child is aspiring and thinking of becoming big, and how he talks to his uncle and his father. Now the same continuation, but we shall go to page number 33 now. Open to page number 33. All will be needing today is your reader, your classwork and your eraser. Are you with me, children? Be with me, understand and extend your cooperation. Now, there's a passage. You have to read the passage. A horse is a horse unless it is a seahorse. A horse is a horse unless it is a seahorse. Seahorses get their name because of how they look. They resemble a horse. A seahorse is a fish but is a bad swimmer. Unlike other kinds of fish, seahorses swim vertically or upright using the dorsal fin on their back. So this is the passage about. Now I shall just tell you why are seahorses called by this name. Why do we name them seahorse? Actually, seahorses get their name because of how they look. They resemble a horse. So the first question is, why are seahorses called by this name? You will tell seahorses get their name because of how they look. They resemble a horse. Page number 33 open. Second question. List two differences between a seahorse and other fishes. So passage is a horse. What is the passage we are reading? A horse is a horse. A horse is a horse unless it's a seahorse. A horse is a horse unless it's a seahorse. Now, the first question is, why are seahorses called by this name? Seahorses get their name because of how they look. They resemble a horse. List two differences between a seahorse and other fishes. Unlike other kind of fish, seahorses swim vertically or upright using the dorsal fin on their backs. Unlike other kinds of fish, seahorses swim vertically or upright using the dorsal fin on their backs. Question third. Which fins do seahorses use to steer? The seahorses use small fins behind their eyes called pectoral fins to steer. Third, seahorses use small fins behind their eyes called pectoral fins to steer. How are seahorses similar to chameleons? Have you seen chameleons on the tree? They keep changing the colors. Now the author is asking, how are seahorses similar, same manner to chameleons which are found on it? Just like chameleons, seahorses can change the color. Chameleon also changes its color, and seahorses also can change its color to blend their surrounding and escape predators. Whenever there is an enemy, a man or anything, it changes its colors to green, and together with the green grass is invisible. So is the seahorse. Whenever there is any danger, a man coming to catch it, he will change it to the color of the water and escape from the predators or nothing but enemies. Just as a chameleon, seahorses can change color to blend into their surroundings and escape predators. Fifth question. Give one unique characteristics of seahorses. What? Give one unique characteristics of seahorses. The seahorses are big eaters, feeding continuously throughout the day on small sea animals. They are gluttons. So you will write, seahorses are big eaters, feeding continuously throughout the day on small sea animals. Choose the correct word. Now you have to choose the correct word. Ruchi read an interesting article in the recent edition of the magazine. First one is magazine. Ruchi read an interesting article in the recent edition of the magazine, the 34 page. Come to page 34. The first word is magazine. The dash in Aesop's fables always have a moral. Stories. Stories. The dash Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone is written by Rowling. Novel. Novel. Third word is novel. Fourth. Every dash on the Geographical Channel is very informative. Every episode. Every episode. Every episode of the Geographical. So children, first word is magazine, second one is stories, third one is novel, and fourth one is episode. Now you are given some kind of works. Again, page 34, you have to name the groups. Knives, forks, and spoons. We tell the cutlery. The first word is cutlery. They come under the group cutlery. Pencils, eraser, sharpener. Stationery. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y. If it would be N-A-R-Y, the sun is stationery. This is stationery shop. Pencils, eraser, sharpener, stationery. Spanner, pliers, and here are tools. Spanner, pliers, and shears are tools. Cutting pliers, all these are tools. Sitar, tabla, piano are musical instruments. They are the musical instruments. Musical instruments. Now children, you read about the suffix. They are given as suffix. The babe, hood, H-O-O-D, that's childhood, brotherhood. Full, F-U-L, beautiful, fearful. Less, harmless. Able, disabled. Ness, cleanliness. And that you have to add. The baby's behavior was dash. Your word is predict. So what will you write? A-B-A, predictable. What will you write, children? Predict, predictable. A-B-L is the suffix. What are suffix? Suffix are added at the end of the word to form another new word. So the first one is predict. You are going to write P-R-E-D-I-C-T-A-B-L. Predictable. Predictable. The baby's behavior was predictable. Second, she remembered the incident of her childhood. She remembered the incidents of her childhood. Number 3. Ritika liked the dash color of the wings of the butterfly. Ritika liked the colorful. F-U-L, full is your suffix. So your word is colorful. Colorful. Now full, good, able, these are the suffix. Predictable, childhood, colorful. Fourth one, the boy felt help in the situation. You will take alias, helpless. Your word is helpless here. Helpless. This is the sum. The boy felt helpless in the situation. But fifth one, Mother Teresa is known for her kindness, N-E-S. Kindness. She was Mother Teresa, who was declared as the saint of the gutters. She was known for her kindness. So children, predictable, childhood, colorful, helpless, and kindness are your words. Now I want you to read again the baby's behavior was predictable. She remembered the incident of her childhood. Ritika liked the colorful. The boy felt helpless. Mother Teresa is known for her kindness. Now you have one diary writing in your books. Page 35. Page 35, go to. For example, in the diary writing, you have to write a diary here. For diary writing, children, first you are going to give, for example, today is Saturday, the day, what day is it? You can put the date also. Then you have to write dear diary. Yes, whenever you write a diary, please write dear diary. Now your diary is, I had nothing to do today. I had nothing to do today. I was absolutely dashed. I was absolutely free. So I had, give me your page number 35. Today you are going to learn a diary and you are going to write a number of diary entries. What you did today, what are the lessons you did today, or where you went today, or about coronavirus, or about pollution, anything diary entry. So you should be perfect with diary entry in your class 5. So for their diary, the day and the date and the day, then you start. I had nothing to do today. I was absolutely dashed. In the dash you can write free. I was free. I was having no work. So I made some dash. I made some videos for myself. You can write videos. So I made some videos for myself and watched, and I watched them. I watched what are the videos I made, I watched them. I chose a dash program, an interesting program. I chose a program which was very interesting. The anchor was talking about global warming. What was the anchor talking about? Global warming. All of you know what is global warming and how it is being caused. And the way the greenhouse effect. How is the gas being trapped there? Why is Earth becoming warmer day by day? What are the ill effects of greenhouse? All of you are studying in your science lessons. The anchor was talking about global warming. And what was the topic about? Global warming and the way greenhouses are affected. Next one is affected. How is greenhouse being affected? By the pollution, the smoke being emitted from the vehicles and from the factories. I learned how trees are being cut down. Unanimous at home, without any thought, people are cutting trees and constructing houses. We must grow more and more trees. Another information. In the last sentence, you should give me that. Now, the diary which are placed on page 35, fill in the blanks to complete the diary entry. Monday is the date, then you have to follow with the date and you have to write dear diary there. I had nothing to do today, full stop. I was absolutely free. So I made some videos for myself and watched. I chose an interesting program. The anchor was talking about global warming and the way some greenhouses are getting affected. I learned how trees are being cut. We must grow more and more trees. So this is about diary writing. Hope you are with me, children. You are understanding how a diary should be written. You are understanding the suffix, how a suffix is added to the end of the sentence, and how a meaningful sentence, and if given an unknown passage, you and some 5 or 6 questions, you will be able to write, I hope. So now children, for your homework, I want you to take down your homework today. And you, for homework, you are going to write how does a seahorse resemble a chameleon, the answer. Write the answers. Write the answers. You have to write the answers. How does a seahorse resemble a chameleon? Second one, use 8 suffix. Anything you can use. You can use less or any or whatever choice. Any of the choice is yours. And write 8 sentences of your own. Write 8 sentences. 8 sentences of your own. Third one, diary. You have to write in diary. Diary writing, diary entry. And what will you write? The first topic is, why should we ban plastic? Why should plastic be banned? Why should we not use plastic? Second, why is mask essential? Why is mask essential these days? Especially these days. Nowadays, not these days. Why is a mask essential these days? And third diary is, what is global warming? Write 5 sentences. Fourth, diary entry again. Fourth is also diary entry question. You have to explain global warming and the greenhouse effect. All of you have this lesson. Please go to the lesson and write. So children, for today's homework, how does a seahorse resemble a chameleon? Pick up any 8 suffixes and write 8 sentences of your own. For the diary entry, we have A, B and C. The first diary will be, why should plastic be banned? Second, why is mask essential these days? Why are you putting mask these days? And third, diary entry, global warming and greenhouse effect. So children, I hope you are with me, listening to me, understood, and you are going to read the passage which is on page 33 and page 34 also, and become perfect in suffix of diary writing. Thank you children. See you again. And be safe. Practice SMS. S is nothing but social distancing. M is for mask. S is for soap. Using soap frequently to washing your hands and keeping away from virus. Be safe children. Have a good day.